ready? The time has come. Let the show begin.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Everyone, welcome to my educational vlog. Today we're going to talk about something that plays a big role in our daily lives, multimedia and ICT, and why they're so important in the 21st century. What are the benefits of multimedia and ICT in our modern world? Here are the examples of benefits of multimedia and ICT. Number 1. Better learning and educational. Multimedia makes learning more interactive and enjoyable. Instead of just reading from a book, students can watch educational videos, use online quizzes, and join virtual classrooms. ICT connects teachers and learners from anywhere in the world, making education more accessible and engaging. Benefits: faster communication. With ICT, we can communicate instantly through email, message apps, or video calls. Multimedia helps makes our communication clearly and more interesting through images, videos, and presentation. Number 3, greater productivity and innovation. In workplaces, ICT helps people work faster and smarter. Multimedia is used in marketing, business, presentation, and online content, helping organizations reach more people and share their ideas creatively. 4. Global connections. ICT breaks down barriers. Whether it's learning about other cultures, joining online communities, or sharing knowledge, technology connects us globality. 5. Creativity and expression. Multimedia tools allow anyone to express themselves through video, digital art, music, and social media. It empowers people to create, inspire, and make a difference. So there are the 5 benefits of multimedia and ICT. In the 21st century, multimedia and ICT aren't just tools. They're powerful ways to learn, connect, and create. They shape the way we live, work, and share ideas in our digital world.